The Products and Services section of Working Cloud allows you to manage all of your market offerings in one place. To access this section of Working Cloud, move your cursor over Manage, Products and Services, and then select from Suppliers, Categories, Subcategories, Products, Services, Bundles, and Delivery Options. We're firstly going to have a look at Suppliers. So what is similar across this whole section of Working Cloud is that you can add new items, you can edit new items, existing items. There are special actions for each product or service section. You can search for a product or a service related thing in each of the search boxes. And you can also change the status from active to inactive here. So first of all, I'm going to add a new supplier. So type the supplier name. So I'm just saying supplier 3. You need to actually put the proper name of the supplier, and I need to add the email address. Now you need to add the website, phone number, fax number, and supplier code. Now any of the fields with the red is actually mandatory, and these question marks are help text to help you fill these in if you have any confusion about doing this. So you can add notes for this supplier and choose to mark them active or inactive. Now you need to add the address details. I'm just going to put supplier 3. So none of these are mandatory here, so I'm not going to bother with them, but I am going to change the country and I'll select the state. Now the primary contact is going to be Bill Smith, and click Save. So the supplier has been added, and this is supplier 3. So now I can go in and edit this supplier, and it takes me back to the last screen, and I can edit any of the details here and click Save. I'm just going to click Cancel. Now to search for the supplier, I can type the name, supplier code, phone number, country or status and click Filter, or I can also reset this if I need to, and I can use the navigation buttons here to move throughout this module and find more suppliers. Now we're going to have a look at categories. So the categories, products and services can be put into categories and subcategories. So I'm just going to show you how to add a new category. So click Add, type the category name, the profit margin. So that is, in general, how much does this category bring in profit margin. So you can mark this as active or inactive. I'm just going to leave it as active and click Save. And now also you can change the status to inactive here. Now I'm going to go back and edit this one. So I can just change the name if I like, and I can change this one and click Save. So this is exactly the same for subcategories, so I won't run you through that. But first of all, you have your category and then you have your subcategory. So that's just an extra item to fill in when you create a subcategory. You need to allocate that one to a category. So let's have a look at products now. I can add a new product by clicking Add. I can also import these products using a CSV file. So we'll have a look at that one. So what you need to do is download the sample CSV file, put all of your products and services into that one. So I'll show you how that one looks. You need to copy this exactly. So put the product name, product code, supplier product code, manufacturer code, category, subcategory, all of the rest up to status as active or inactive. Save this on your desktop and then re-upload it into Working Cloud. So what you need to do is choose that file, upload it, and then click import. I'm just going to click cancel, and I'm going to show you how to add a new product through here. So type the product, you can give it a code, and here you select the category and the subcategory. So now we can add all of this information. I only need to fill in anything with the mandatory field. So the current stock, I'll make it as 20. The buy price is $10. And this automatically calculates based on the category and subcategory profit margin how much the sell price is. But I can overwrite this, and I can also get this to exclude GST and click save. Now, obviously you can go back and edit this, and you can create a quote from this product and an order from this product. You can do that through the normal system of going through and work, creating an order, or sell and creating a quote. So now we're going to have a look at services. This is very similar to products. So I'm going to click add, and we'll call this new service. I think that one might already be taken. I'll put it as new service 2. Now you need to select this category, and there was no subcategory for category 3. As you saw, I created that just before, and we didn't create a subcategory. So I'm going to call this one new sir. I can put warranty information, a description, and change the status from active to inactive. I'll just leave that one. So I'm going to put this one as 200 and then 250. Oh, sorry. That's automatically generated from the profit margin we put in before, but I'm going to erase it and change it to 250, and I'm going to leave the GST. So here you can add tasks associated with the new service. So you can put this in, and then the hours required. So you can also remove these, and you can add more. So we can select 3 and click add, and then these will come up. So I'll add some more, task 2, task 3. And I'm going to delete these ones. And then click save. So that one's been updated. Now we'll look at bundles. So a bundle is when you want to put more than one product or service together and sell it for a different price than if you sold it individually, usually cheaper. So I'm going to click add, and I'll come up with a name, so bundle 2. Now I can put any product or service, so I'll do working cloud, and I'll make this 10, add that to the bundle, and IT services, I'll make this 2 and add this to the bundle. So if people order, if the customer orders a large quantity, what I can do is that would be the normal price. I will override this price now, and I will change it to $1,500. So I've made it cheaper. So all of this information comes up here, and you can also delete these if you put the wrong one in, and click save. And there it is, there's a new bundle. So we'll have a look at bundle 2, edit, and I can add a new product or service. So I'll add new service, and I'll add 2 to the bundle. So that comes to 2,200. I want to change this one to 1,900 and click save. Oh, just before, you can also delete them. So I'll click save now. Now we'll have a look at delivery options. So you can add a new delivery option, name, buy price is $40, make this 60. So this is when we deliver a pallet in Metro Sydney. active and the address is required. Click Save. Now we can also go back and edit this one, and we could change this to anything we like, but I'm going to remove address required and click Save. And that's about the end of this section. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy doing Simply Better Business.